What's going on, Pro Cutters? Food review with John. I've spoken, told you guys about these Any-chan noodle bowls before, but now I'm going to show you how easy they are to prepare and do the old taste test. And I've got my iPhone out recording with the iPhone. Got the purple panda, so the audio is not crap. I'm going to show you how easy this is. So the first thing you're going to do is take your bowl out of the cardboard and then open that up, and you see you've got your noodles, you've got your sauce, and you've got your toppings. Now I don't have a microwave, so what I'll be doing with mine is I boil some water, and then I'll show you what I do from there once the water boils. While you're waiting for the water to boil, you can open your toppings and you put them in the bottom of the bowl, and then you open your noodles and you put them in on top of the toppings. Okay, and now the water is boiling and there's a line in there, and you pour the water up to that line, and then you put your lid on and let it sit for 2 minutes. Alright, and now the 2 minutes is up. You just lift up the corner and you drain out the water from your noodles and toppings. Once that's done, you get your sauce. Open up the sauce packet, put the sauce on. And then you can mix everything up. And when you mix the sauce and everything with the noodles and the topping, the noodles warm the sauce up. And then you're ready for a taste. And they're real good, real quick, real easy. Anybody could do it. The kids could do this at home because you could boil the water in the microwave. You don't have to use the stove. So it's a good treat, good lunch. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.